So in this particular video, we are going to learn a trick called naming the ranges and using them into the formula. What's this business? Let's get back to the same worksheet where we learned VLOOKUP and match trick and now take the journey ahead. What you would have noticed that wherever your cursor is there, the name box shows H15, which is the name of this cell. Remember, it has a given a name because if you put any value here, the value will get stored here. But in the formula, let's see here, there is 56 and some 23. I wish to go ahead and make a total of these two. I need to say is equal to H15. Look at it here, H15 plus H16 bracket 79. Now look at it here. What it is trying to say that H15 and H16 are the names of it. The values which are held there are 56 and 23, which currently adds to 79. Tomorrow, if I go ahead and obviously make this 44, the total will change. So you are referring each cell with a name, and name is created simply by the column, which is H, and row 15 or 16 or whatever. That's how we have seen it already. However, friends, apart from that, there is one more way by which you can create your own names in the worksheets. What does it mean? Let's say this whole thing from here to here. This whole thing, I wish to give a name to this rectangle, this whole of the rectangle. Remember, it's very simple. Creating a name. We are trying to give a name to this block. So first step is obviously going ahead and selecting this whole block. Number two, here, go into the name box and click and type the name. Remember, cost underscore sheet. You cannot use space here. You can use underscore there. You cannot use dash there. Okay. Secondly, just typing it here is not going to complete the step. You need to press enter key and see what happens. The moment you enter, that gets recorded. Now click elsewhere, anywhere. And now if you take this drop down, you'll find this name is now registered, cost sheet. Click there and this whole range will get selected. Why? What more? If you go into some other tab, let's say employee master, take this drop down and select cost sheet. It will bring you back into this sheet. So basically this name is universal across the whole workbook. Remember, it's not only specific to a worksheet. It is all over the thing. That's number one. Remember, name can be given like this and it could be used in the formula. For example, if I start typing is equal to sum, as you know, what sum does is that all the numbers in the given range, it will go ahead and add in a given column, given row, anywhere. Now here, rather than saying anything, if I start typing cost here, you will find this name has appeared here, cost sheet, whatever is given. Double click it here and close the bracket and you will find some number comes here. What is this number? This is nothing else but addition of all the numbers here. It makes no sense. Adding all the rates together makes absolute no sense. But what I am trying to tell you is that once a name is created, it could be used into formulas. And then we can probably create very intelligent, very, reading friendly or business friendly formulas. Is it that the name could be given only to the rectangle? Not necessarily. For example, if I go ahead and give a name to this whole list, these are the different skills, correct? So I go ahead and select this, again click here and type skills. Okay, hit enter and come back here. If I take this drop down, skills is registered here. How do I use it into the formula? Let's say count. Count A. Count A means number of non-blank cells. Okay. Count A of what? Skills. Remember the skills, the name I have given, close bracket, and it is saying 10 because there are 10, cells. There is some text there. So that's how you can create the names and we can use it. How to use it in the formula, we'll just see into the next video.